In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the multi-location product and inventory management for WooCommerce plugin for both free and pro version. Before installing the plugin, let's quickly check the system requirement to make sure everything works smoothly. Your site should meet these minimum requirements: WordPress version 5 or higher, WooCommerce version 4 or higher, PHP version 7.2 or higher, MySQL version 5.6 or higher. If you are not sure about these versions, then you can check them from your hosting panel or WordPress site health. First, let's see how to install the free version directly from the WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin panel and then navigate to Plugins and click Add Plugin. In the search bar, type multi-location product and inventory management. Once the plugin appears in the search result, click Install Now. After installation is complete, then click Activate to enable the plugin. Now let's look at the second option, installing the free version using a manual upload. First, download the plugin zip file from the WordPress plugin directory by searching for multi-location product and inventory management. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins. Here click Add Plugin. Now click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and select the downloaded zip file. Click Open. Now click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, click Activate Plugin. If you have purchased the Pro version, then follow these steps to install and activate it. After purchasing, download the Pro plugin zip file from your account on our website. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and again navigate to Plugins. Click Add Plugin. Now click Upload Plugin. Now click Choose File to upload the Pro zip file. Click on it. Open. Now click on Install Now. Once installation is complete, then click Activate Plugin. After activating the Pro plugin, you will need to activate your license. Go to Location Manage, then click Settings. Now click on Plugin License. Enter the license key that you have received in your purchase mail. Finally, click Activate License and install Pro to unlock all features. If you already have the free version installed, it will be automatically deactivated when you install the Pro version. Don't worry, all your existing data will remain safe and unchanged. That's it, you have successfully installed and activated the multi-location product and inventory management plugin.